as if I'm already chose. Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, it's not bad, they be on my ass. I could hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga munching ate it from the back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your girl Christine Putti and I'm all about everything and anything. Thank you for my returning subbies and welcome to the new ones. So your girl is going to another travel vlog, or she's going to do another travel vlog. What the heck is with me with and or? Anyways, we are gonna have a travel experience to Modderfontein Bird and Sculpture. Modderfontein Bird and Sculpture Park. Yeah. So we're going there for, just for fun, hey guys. It's a Friday and girls go out for a picnic and enjoy the view, enjoying the scenery. So I hope you guys are gonna like this. And if this is your type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. So let's go on the trip. Bye.
It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grown when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do better like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you fighting on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you playing the leave and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
The Modderfontein Bird and Sculpture Park. Yeah, so this is how it looks. I hope I don't fall. Let me just show you guys from this view. I think I'm gonna climb into this thing. It's actually fun. The entrance is only 15 rand per person. So yeah, it's actually a really nice, peaceful place. Okay, the problem is the streets. It's a very nice place. As a plus-size person, I'm scared of getting into this thing. Must I get in? Let's see. So let's see. I hope I do not fall. Yeah, I get it. Okay. So I'm inside of the thingy, whatever you call it. So let me take off my glasses so y'all can see. Nah, I'm putting them back. Nope. So I'm in the sitting area. So it is nice. So guys, you can come and chill here. I prefer coming a little bit earlier because apparently at 3 o'clock it gets busier.
She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller.
So I'm just gonna give you a tour before your girl goes into a photo time. So this is the place. It's really actually really nice and peaceful, you know. Gauteng has the best. No, I'm lying. It has the second best places. Before that, we can go to Cape Town. Yeah, Cape Town is the best one. When it comes to travel destinations, I give it to Cape Town. But anyway, guys, come to Gauteng. If you're not a South African and you want to come to South Africa, come to South Africa. One of the best, prettiest places you can ever go to. It's fun, enjoyable, and there is peace. So this is the popular I have no idea circle. I see a lot of people like taking it here. So yeah, now I'm gonna take it here. Look how beautiful this. Imagine having a house and every day you wake up to this. So pretty. So neat, so peaceful. Spend time in the circle of Modderfontein. So yeah, take pictures here. To come.
The rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after hit, call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm broke, see it's up by 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we stacking up wallow and guala. I'm trying to get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, look like the new BML. Think I'm done, got phones in my right and left. And you can't go the car, ain't no key in there. Just put lost in they pockets, get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrolling, really in a prison. Punish 50 flying, bitch, you can't look. But the game to his temp, you go color, spit the flavor to the temp. I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a bit. Oh, you getting up? I fought with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you running the beans of the time?
I'm ending the vlog here. Gonna enjoy a fruit salad and the beautiful view. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video so that I can continue, feel motivated to upload this video. So that's from me, Chrissy. Hope you like this. There's another spot for you guys to come for just a chill out nyana day content nyana. Enjoy the view nyana. Yabona nyana. So bye.
What you feel, baby, address you. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby, address you. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. You make me so.